Maintenance. Wipe your device with the provided cleaning cloth. The water carrier should be washed in water only and allowed to dry. Do not use any soap. Do not immerse the device or the base station in water. It is recommended that you replace the water carrier approximately every 3 months. You can purchase a new water carrier where you made your initial purchase. If you do not intend to use your Bleaphasteam for a long time, more than 2 months, we recommend removing the batteries. The water carrier is for personal use, 1 person.